Let me ask you this. When you picture a traditional British bank, what comes to mind? Maybe those iconic black horse logos or the familiar name plastered across high street branches. You're probably thinking of Lloyds, right? But here's the kicker. In today's digital age, is Lloyds still a bank in the way we traditionally understand it? Or has it morphed into something else entirely? We're diving deep into the evolution of a financial giant. For generations, Lloyds has been a cornerstone of British banking. We've seen it finance homes, support businesses, and hold our hard-earned savings. But the landscape has shifted dramatically. Think about it. We're no longer confined to brick-and-mortar branches. Our finances are accessible on our phones, through apps, and online platforms. So, where does Lloyds fit into this brave new world? Let's break it down. Lloyds Banking Group, the parent company, is a behemoth. It's not just your local branch anymore. It encompasses a vast network of subsidiaries, including Halifax, Bank of Scotland, and Scottish Widows. This means they're playing in multiple financial arenas: traditional retail banking, mortgages, insurance, and even investment services. The rise of fintech has been a game changer. Digital-first competitors are challenging traditional banks with streamlined services and lower overheads. Lloyds has had to adapt, investing heavily in its digital infrastructure. You've probably noticed the improved mobile app and online banking platforms. They're trying to meet the demands of a tech-savvy customer base. But here's the critical question. Does this diversification and digital push mean Lloyds is moving away from its core banking roots? Not entirely. While they've expanded their services, retail banking remains a significant part of their business model. They still offer current accounts, savings accounts, and loans. The traditional banking functions are still there, albeit delivered in a more modern way. However, the emphasis has shifted. The focus is now on providing a comprehensive suite of financial services, catering to a wider range of customer needs. They're trying to be a one-stop shop for all things finance. This strategic shift is crucial for their survival in a competitive market. Think about the impact of branch closures. We've seen a steady decline in physical locations. This reflects the changing customer behavior and the increasing reliance on digital channels. It doesn't mean Lloyds is abandoning its customers, but it does signal a move towards a more efficient, digitally driven model. So, is Lloyds still a bank? Yes, in the fundamental sense. It still provides core banking services. But it's also much more than that. It's a financial conglomerate, adapting to the digital age and expanding its reach. The traditional image of a bank is evolving, and Lloyds is evolving with it. It's a hybrid, a blend of old and new, catering to a diverse customer base in an increasingly complex financial world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.